Welcome to Belong. In this guide, I will walk you through the process of creating an event on our platform, ensuring that you can get up and running in just a few minutes. So, let's dive in. To get started, all you need to do is log in using your preferred authentication method, whether it's the ever-reliable MetaMask or any other option we have available. Once you have logged in, navigate to the Creation menu by clicking on the plus button. Select Add a new upcoming event to proceed. Here's where the magic happens. Fill in the essential details of your event, giving it a name that captures the essence of what's to come, a unique handle that sets it apart, and craft a captivating description that entices potential participants. Whether your event takes place in the digital realm or there is a destination in the physical world, make it known with a simple click. Set the date and time to ensure everyone's on the same page, and if there's a cost associated with attending, specify it right here. To make your event truly stand out, consider adding a captivating cover image that paints a vivid picture of what participants can expect. With these steps, you're on your way to hosting a remarkable event on our platform. Share your event link and let the party start.